Welcome back to the channel. So today I just have another car cleaning type video. I actually want to show you how to restore the plastic trim on your car. Now on the Evo 10s, Rally Arts, Base Lancers, anything, they have this mirror here. Now you get this plastic piece here, always seems to stay nice and black. This one here though is always just faded and terrible. Mine is really bad. I believe a previous owner or a car dealer or someone has just put a cheap silicone tire shine on it, let it bake in the sun just so it looked nice and black for the day, and since I've owned the car it's just always looked terrible. So I did used to use just the sort of cheap spray on or wipe on products you could just pick up at your Super Cheap Auto or Autobarn or any type of auto store. They don't last long enough. It's a lot of hassle sort of masking the car off or carefully not trying to get it onto your paint when you're trying to just dress up this area. So I'm actually going to be ceramic coating it today. So we're going to try and make this part look like this part and make it actually last. So what we'll be using is the Carpro DLUX. Absolutely love this product. I coat my wheels with it and have done rubber and plastic trim previously with it. It's a very versatile product. You actually use it for both wheels and rubbers and plastics. So this is a new box I just got the other week. I don't need to open that one today as I still have a little bit left. This is their old label. So I had this one for about a year, and as you can see, semi-permanent coat and UV proof hydrophobic ceramic coating. So that's what I will be using. I did previously try this product to start, Bowden Zone, which is an Australian car detailing or car care company. This one might be good on certain materials, but the plastics on my car just did not work. So I bought this, tried it twice with the directions they gave on their Facebook group, and just didn't make a difference. It was a bit disappointing, so don't use that one anymore. I then tried this Auto Finesse Revive after a friend recommended it. It worked fairly well, lasts about a month or so. You don't need much, as you can see I've used hardly any out of the bottle, but once I started buying this product, and the store where I bought it seemed to be a big seller of the Carpro products, I then did some research and found this was my best option. Do it once, do it right, and get the protection you need. So yeah, as you can see, I've ended up buying a lot of Carpro products and Concourse or NV, which is the other big brand that the company sells, which is called Wax It. So we'll be putting that on today. Before that, we'll have to just clean it up a little bit, the area, so we could use this Bowden's Orange Agent, which is great. Really like this product still, but my new favourite would be this Carpro Multi-X. You buy this in a 500ml bottle and you dilute it anywhere from 1 to 10 to 1 to 100. So I'm using it 1 to 15 dilution in this bottle here. So 700 mils of water and 50 mils of this product. As you can see, I've used this amount of it, and I've had this since it actually came out. I've been through about 10 bottles of this. I don't have to worry about overusing it because I dilute it and it's very cheap at $25 for that. So we will clean the area, we'll mask it off with some masking tape, and I'm going to try something new today. Rather than using the applicator pad that comes with this, I'm actually going to try and use this makeup removal wipe, as I've seen people do in the past. Just because it's such a tight area, this will make it a lot easier for me to wipe in there. So I'll set up and we'll try and clean the surface up, go from there. Okay guys, so we have the area just taped off just to avoid any coating getting onto the paint. I'll start off, I'll just give it a try with this Bowden's Orange Agent, and I've got this cheap microfiber cloth that I'm not worried about, so Get a couple of sprays into this. Let's try and clean this area off the best we can. So the way to get the most out of the coating is to make sure we start off with a clean surface or area. So as you can see, a little bit is coming off. So we got a little bit of dirt and contamination off there. Flip the towel over to a clean side, and I'll also try out some Carpro multi-axe. There we go, that's actually picking up a lot, which will help make our coating perform at its best. Okay, so you can find another clean side of this microfiber, and I'll just grab some Carpro eraser just to get any other residue off there. This one you always want to use before you ceramic coat. So just give it a last wipe down with that. Okay, we'll leave that to dry. I'll go to the upper side. Okay guys, so we've cleaned it. We've waited for the surface to dry. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the coating on. So I've got this little makeup removal wipe, I believe it is. Going to give this a try, so I think it'll be easier in this surface. So see if it works. And we have our coating. So we'll give it a shake. This is an old bottle, so it's going to have a lot of the shards that have dried. Now when you're putting this near paint and you're using an old bottle like this, you definitely want to keep those away, as they are rock hard, but we're just putting it on plastic, so we're not as worried about that. So I'll see if I can actually get any out of this bottle. Okay, so unfortunately I think I'm going to have to open the new bottle. Alright guys, so unfortunately I'm going to have to open the new bottle just to get some even coverage. Just couldn't get enough out of the old one. So this is how it should pour out. You see it comes out a lot quicker if it's actually a new bottle of it. Always want to make sure you put the lid back on though, just to stop it drying. So I'll give this another try. Just get this second coat. That's a lot better. Only cost $50 for a bottle of the Carpro DLUX, so there's no need for me to try and get the very last few drops out of the bottle when I could just open this new one. Alright, so this is now looking a lot better. Okay, so there we go. We'll just give that a minute to flush in there. Hopefully all the little bits of cloth that are coming off from this applicator pad that I tried will wipe off. So definitely don't want to keep those in there. So we'll grab ourselves a fresh microfiber over here. And just remember that anytime you use a cloth to wipe off ceramic coating, you need to put it straight in the bin. This will get bits of the coating that will harden, and if you wipe your paint with this afterwards, it will have little glass pieces basically in it. It's the best way to put it, and it will scratch your paint. Okay, so we've given that a couple of minutes. It's looking nice and dark. Get our microfiber, and we'll try and wipe the excess off. Okay guys, we've wiped it off, and if you can remember before, this was looking a lot duller than this. Now it's not too far away, so we could do another coat, which is what's recommended, to do 2 coats. So pretty happy with that. What I'll do is I'll go to the other side, I'll come back, I'll do a second coat on this one, and we'll see if we can get it even closer. Okay, so I've pulled it back outside so you can see the end result in the light. I actually did a second coat, wiped it down, and now I basically have it as dark as I wanted to get it. It's pretty much matching the little front piece that was darker at the start, as you can see there. I did do both sides, so both mirror plastics now are freshly coated. I am going to do the rest of my exterior plastics in the future, such as the bonnet vents there, the rear diffuser, and any other rubber or plastic that's looking a little bit faded. So if you guys wanted to see any other videos on how to coat parts, or you want to see a longer one where I do the diffuser, just let me know in the comments. But for now, that'll be it. So thanks heaps for watching. Please like and subscribe, as it would really help the channel grow. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.